Why is it important to understand the various literary theories and schools of thought? Let's explore this question and take a journey through the annals of literary theory. In the beginning, there was formalism, a theory that fixates on the structural aspects of a literary work, like language and style. It discards the author's biography or historical context, and instead revels in the inherent qualities of the text itself. Then came structuralism, a theory that views literature as a complex arrangement of signs and symbols. Here, the emphasis is on the structures that underpin and give meaning to a text, often using linguistic and semiotic analysis as its tools. The middle of the 20th century saw the rise of new criticism. This theory champions close reading and textual analysis, urging readers to interpret the work in isolation. Here, elements like paradox, irony, and ambiguity are the stars of the show. Reader response theory then took the stage, arguing for the reader's crucial role in interpreting a text. It is a theory that looks at how the reader's individual experiences, beliefs, and emotions shape their understanding of a piece of literature. Psychoanalytic criticism emerged, inspired by Sigmund Freud's theories, delving into the unconscious motivations and desires of characters and authors. This theory seeks to expose hidden meanings in literature through the lens of psychological analysis. Marxist literary theory then stepped into the spotlight, viewing literature as a mirror of social, economic, and political conditions. It scrutinizes how literature either perpetuates or challenges the dominant ideology and class structure. Next came feminist criticism, a theory that probes gender roles, power dynamics, and the representation of women in literature. It seeks to unearth and challenge patriarchal biases in literary works. Then we encounter post-colonialism, a theory that scrutinizes the impact of colonialism on literature and culture. It amplifies the voices of marginalized and colonized peoples and critiques colonial narratives. Deconstruction, developed by Jacques Derrida, followed. It stresses the inherent instability and contradictions in language and text, prompting readers to question traditional binary oppositions and hierarchies in literary works. Postmodernism came next, rejecting the notion of a single objective truth and embracing the idea of multiple, often conflicting perspectives. It incorporates elements of past literary theories while challenging traditional notions of authorship and narrative. Queer theory emerged, examining issues of gender and sexuality in literature. It challenges traditional norms and categories and explores how sexuality is constructed and represented in literary texts. Finally, we have cultural studies, which scrutinizes the relationship between literature and culture. It often focuses on popular culture and how it mirrors societal values and ideologies. These are just some of the many literary theories and schools of thought that have emerged over time. As we've seen, literary critics and scholars often draw from multiple approaches to analyze and interpret literature, depending on the text and their research interests. Each theory offers a unique lens through which we can enrich our understanding of literature and its profound impact on society.